to Bmans vlog. Today I'm going to do a big track with my friend Rosie.
Yeah, we need a big boat. We need a pontoon boat.
Wait, what's in here? Yeah! Who is that? A monster truck. Here we go down the track. Okay, here we go over there. Okay, he's gonna come down. Whoa, he's gonna go up this jump. Wow!
What are you guys doing tomorrow?
Well, hey, I think there's something in here. Yeah! Boom, 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 boom.
It's going to be busy?
Mondays is just like a day for me, so I'm going to do
The tiger shark. And what's the mini guy? And mini eagle. Go! Come on, friends. Come back here. Okay, let's go friends down. Stop this one. What's this? Crossing. Okay, I'm going crossing. No monster truck. Ah, loco park. Oh no, there's a train here. What? Now Toy Shark and the mystery truck are going with us. What? Back here, what's this? Railroad crossing. What's this? It's a backflip round. Woo, look at me! Boom. Wait, no it isn't. Boom. It's Fire Elton Loco. What have you got in there, Tiger Shark? What is it? It's Soldier Fortune. And it's a mini one again. Who is it? It's mini monster truck. It's a mini zombie. Go back down the track. Whee! Ooh, what's this? Summer! Wait, no, it's a ramp. Ready? Let's go across. Whee! Wow, I think. There's a wheel. It's a monster truck. Go back here. Now we're going to go back there. Whoa, what's this? It's a jellyfish. It's a jellyfish. It's a jellyfish. Whoa. Boom. Go jellyfish. Now we can play. Woo! Let's see who we've got first. This is going down the track. Run, across the jump ramp. Down, into the water. Then we've got Demo Derby. Who's next? It's a shark. But no, it's this one. It's a horse. It's got horns. It looks like a donkey, but it starts with L. Go jump in the water, L. And his name is Jump into the water. Name is Fire Elton Loco.
Moving back? We're good?
Fire Elton Loco. Next up is one who is a shark. Now we've got Tiger Shark. Little mini. We've got a little guy. He starts with 2 verses at a time. Ready? It starts with G and it starts with Z. Go. Woohoo! They're coming down the track. They're coming down the track.
Planned at all.
Woo!
I want to take the boys to the Adelaide show, which is like...
They're jumping. 2 more. Here they come. Whee! They're both minis.
That's good time.
Mini zombie and mini grave digger. Next up, we've got a train. S. Soldier Fortune. Black Soldier Fortune. Now we've got all the trucks. Now we've got all the trucks.
Like the betting used to be. We've still got
Golden grave digger.
Yeah, it's like worn out.
Golden grave digger.
But
I'll
that's
go
where I
wash
used
him
to play
off, kids.
everything.
Golden grave digger.
used to love going there when they had the sales.
Soldier,
My grandma
black
used to take
soldier.
my brother
Should we
and I
wash all of them
every
so they're not that dirty?
time running up to Christmas when they'd have sales.
Should we wash them?
She'd give us $10.
Yeah,
Zombie.
That was for every year.
Just gonna go and wash them.
yeah, peach tide grape, Tiger shark, and no coconut.
And she'd take me and my brother on the
Now
bus,
we're gonna go and wash them.
and we'd go
So me and Zeke are just gonna play with our track. See you later, kids. Bye bye.
Later.